Good morning, everyone. Today I just thought I would kind of vlog. I was in a vlogging mood, so I wanted to kind of just take you guys like along my day. I'm not really doing anything. Today is my off day. Tomorrow I work, so everything today is kind of just prepping me for tomorrow. I have some orders I need to ship out for my little press-on nail business. I have to clean my room a little bit, so I thought, you know what? Let's just go ahead and have a chill day today. I'm also watching the season finale of America's Got Talent. I haven't skipped a season yet, so that's really nice. I think that's like one of my favorite shows. I don't really watch a lot of shows, to be honest, but I think America's Got Talent has to be like one of my favorites. It's interesting. I like seeing different talents, and it passes the time pretty well because the episodes are so long. Go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'm using the R&Co Park Ave Blowout Balm and my Irresistible Me hair blow dryer. Did a little bit. I have my hair still damp, but it's fine. I want my hair to like naturally do its wavy thing, but
the act taking the third spot in the top 5 is...
I don't like both of these acts. I don't like them. I don't. I'm actually going to pause that real quick because I thought I would do like a little PR unboxing with you guys. I don't really do that ever. I don't think I've ever done it on YouTube. I've done it like here and there on Instagram. So I wanted to show you guys some of this stuff. So I have several things from different brands, and I gave some to my sister already, but that's okay. So I have this here by Dr. Zenobia. I don't know how they found me. They never sent me an email, but they sent me these things here. So I have here a vitamin C brightening toner, as well as a 5% benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment, which is really nice. Love how like minimalist this looks, but really I don't know how they found me. And then this little packet is an advanced retinol night repair treatment. Love that. Do you guys remember Banish? I remember like a couple of years ago on Instagram, like everyone was talking about them. They actually sent me like this whole kit. I think this is like everything that they sell on their website. So I have here the fighter gel, which I think I'm like the most excited about. I have a vitamin C cream. Although I love vitamin C, I don't think it's like necessary for me because I think my skin already looks bright and I think I already got it to where it needed to be. So vitamin C right now isn't like my top priority. I also have a pumpkin enzyme mask, which is kind of fun for fall. I don't know, I like that idea. And then I have a vitamin C beauty elixir, as well as an all clear mint cleanser. This is really nice. I like this size, especially like for my shower. And then here is where I am a little on edge with the products here. So they have like one of those like micro needling tools that they sent me. It looks like this, and you literally have to press it in. It's not like one that rolls on your skin. I've never tried that. So I really don't know. I heard microneedling is great. It has great benefits. But I want to see like how it works on hair growth because I have a bald spot on my head and I heard that like it can help. I don't know. And then here I have a Banish oil and that's it from Banish, which I'm very thankful for. I'm kind of excited but also a little skeptical as well. And then I have that package from Dermalogica that I mentioned that I got. Now this was everything that they had sent me. They sent me like a pack of 5. I gave these two to my sister already. I gave her the Actually, no. I gave her the Daily Microfoliant as well as the Stress Positive Eye Lift. I have so many eye creams, I just didn't need another one. She told me that she really loved the pre-cleanse and that I would really like it. This is kind of like your oil cleanser. And then I also have the Special Cleansing Gel as well as the Dynamic Skin Recovery with SPF 50. I've been looking for a moisturizer with SPF in it, so I'm really excited about this as well as the other things as well. I've never really tried Dermalogica except for that mask that my sister ended up taking from me. And then I also have some other things over here. Real Her just launched some brand new liquid lipstick colors, which I'm really excited about. So I have here I Am Brilliant, and this one is supposed to be a pink mauve. I have the I Am Amazing, which is an orange red. I love orangey reds. I Am a Goddess, and this one's a dark plum. I have I Am Enough, which is a warm nude. I think I'll like that one the best. And I Will Rise, which is a fair nude. You can also use the code ThatsSoYin to save money on this order as well. I love Real Her. I think this is one of those brands that I haven't really been disappointed with. I think when they first started reaching out to me about like 2 years ago, a lot of their earlier products I felt like were good, but they weren't great. And then they started to reformulate everything and I was like, oh wait. I was like, wait a second. I was like, everything is actually pretty good. So really love that. And 20% of the proceeds do get donated to help women with research and I think with schooling and a lot of other things as well, which I believe is super nice. And then I got a package from Joa. Girl, remember like a few years ago I did a whole video about like a full face of Joa and I didn't really like anything? That's the tea. Okay, so they just said, hope you love these goodies as much as we do, and let's keep in touch. We will. So the first thing in here is this brush. It's a flat top brush like this, and it's supposed to just blend in your foundation. I'm not really a brush person, but we'll see about her. And then they kind of sent me like things for like kind of a full face. They did not send me their foundation. I wasn't a huge fan of their foundation, but they did send me a dark circle concealer, which looks very large and in charge. They sent me 2 shades that I don't know will match. They sent me Porcelain and Light Ivory. You know, I think Light Ivory definitely looks a little darker than most ivory shades that I have seen on the market. So we have hope, and that one looks like it's a yellow undertone, which is nice. And then I got some primers. I have a pore minimizing and mattifying primer, and then I have a hydrating and brightening primer. Love that. I like how the packaging is like a little, like, I don't know, this is kind of cute. I love blue. And then I got this mascara, which is the Lash Up Rising mascara. It has like that little hourglassy shape to it. Ooh, I got 2 different eyeliners. I have a felt tip liner as well as just a regular pencil liner. I'm not a huge fan of felt tip eyeliners, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Their brush tip eyeliner is probably like one of my favorite items from the entire line. I felt like it wasn't super black, but it was really soft and smooth, and it always had a nice line when going onto the eyes. So I have hope for that one. And then for the brows, I have here 2 brow pencils, which I don't know will match me. I have one in the shade brunette and one in medium brown. Medium brown normally like never matches me, so we'll see about her. And then 2 lip glosses. I don't really wear lip gloss. I don't really like gloss, but I'm willing to give these ones a shot. I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of these brands who had sent me these items. I know that like I'm just very small, I'm a small town girl, but it's just really nice to be recognized from some brands and be given the opportunity to receive product like this. I just am very grateful, and even if I like the product or not, I still am just very thankful that you guys thought about me and thought about sending me products. And yeah, that's all I got. I just want to say thank you, and thank you guys for supporting me, because without your support I wouldn't be even noticed from these brands at all. So a huge shout out to you. Now also today I have been thinking, I was like, Jasmine, you have been working so hard. Like the past few days have been like the craziest for me, and I think we're gonna be getting some McDonald's spicy nuggets. I've been thinking about her, so I think I want to do that today. Also, I wanted to show you guys my nails. Last night I took off my pinkies because they were like falling off while I was brushing my teeth, and then I didn't get a chance to put it back on. So here are my nails. They're just maroon, and then these two fingers are glittery, which is really cute and perfect for fall. The pinky is right here. Let me get her. She's just a matte burgundy. Ooh, oh, there she goes. She sticks. Beautiful. I had to reposition you guys because look, I got my biggest order here. I'm still in the middle of like packing it up and making it look pretty, but I just want to say thank you, Miranda, for placing such a big order and making my small business dreams come true. Like, this is so amazing. It makes me feel like my 4 years of college were not wasted in business, and it's just amazing. And then I also got 2 smaller orders here that I have to ship out as well. Thank you guys, so thankful. I just I got my McDonald's, and I already shipped out my packages, which was great. So here's what I got. I got the Travis Scott burger. I haven't tried this one either. They didn't have the hot sauce that came with the nuggets, but that's fine. And then got some fries, and then for the sauce I got my usual, which is sweet and sour and barbecue. I also got a Chips Ahoy McFlurry. I haven't had a McFlurry in literal years. And then I got a Coke. Yes, let's try this McFlurry before it melts. That second bite though. Wow. This is good. There's caramel on the sides, and then there's the cookies in little chunks. That's delish. Let's try the burger first. Ew. Okay. Let's see. How do I want to do this? I'm going to put some napkins on my lap real quick. Here we go. It tastes like a regular McDonald's burger, but with bacon in it. I'm not a big fan of bacon in general, but it's good. Nice. Last time I did my car mukbang, I waited too late and the fries got really stale. So I don't know why, but whenever I go to McDonald's, they never ask if I want any ketchup. So I'm always ketchup-less without my fries, so it's annoying, but we'll make do. I don't want to go to the kitchen to get the ketchup. I also finished watching America's Got Talent. The person who I wanted to win won, so it's a good time. And I knew it too. I knew he was gonna win. There was one other person that I wanted to win as well, but Fortunately, she only made the top 10. I don't know if you guys feel this way, if you guys watch America's Got Talent as well. I feel like, yes, you see a lot of different talents, but at the end of the day, like a lot of the acts that get into like the finals are usually dancers, some type of acrobat, and then a lot of singers. Always singers. And I'm a little tired of it a little bit, because it's like you already have The Voice, you have American Idol, like you already have so many shows dedicated to your singing voice, so it's like, I know someone else is the same way as me, so I'm not going to take that out. I'm not going to edit that out. The fries are already getting stale, so I'm going to eat everything together. I don't like eating my stuff together like this, but it's fine. It's all going to go to the same place anyway. I'm going to try the spicy nuggets. Now, I do like the Wendy's spicy nuggets, but I don't like Wendy's sauce. I think McDonald's has like the best sauce variety. So let's see. There's a nice kick to it. I could get with these. It's kind of like the Wendy's one, where it's like the more you eat it, the more addicting it is. Oh yeah. Man, why are all the good things always limited edition? Damn it. I'm very satisfied today. Yeah. I can get with this. So I think that's pretty much my day. My day is really slow today. I really don't have anything much to do other than finish editing a video, and that's honestly just uploading it onto YouTube at this point. It's already done. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I know it's super boring, but I just wanted to say another huge thank you to everybody who has watched my Suicide Prevention Month video. That video was a little scary for me to make because I don't like really diving into my personal life. I don't like doing that at all because it's a little scary for me, because I see myself as somebody who is very intimate, and I know that I have a public platform, but there's something so scary about opening up to the public, and that's why I didn't really want to go super deep into my past. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for listening, taking time out of your day to even watch my videos, even this random vlog. Thank you. It really means a lot to me, and thank you guys so much for supporting what I do. It really just makes me feel like $1,000,000 at the end of the day. So I want to say a huge shout out to you guys, and I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scouts.